unified model to work with multiple logging APIs or not, guys? It provides, yes, na, my dear, come on. Okay. Unified API. What API? To work with multiple logging APIs. What APIs? Multiple login APIs. It's done. Yeah. So what is a great combination? SL4J with log4j, SL4J with logback. SL4J with log4j is the better combination or not, guys? Everyone prefers this combination. Actually, log4j is a great tool, but nowadays we stopped working with what? Direct tools. Every time we are working with what? Indirect APIs, right? By getting abstraction through sllf4j. So what we do is we do this. That's great. Save this one, guys. Switch to workspace. Where is this? 1103 or 701? 701. Okay, let me open the document of the programming. Yeah, tell me. Log4j multiple logger levels are there. But in SL4j, water level, logger, fatal level gone. Only error has come. But as addition trace also they have given was SL4j logger levels are what for categorizing log messages. Number one, debug for normal confirmation message, info, important confirmation messages, war. You used poor code or poor API or duplicated API, warn level. Next, error level. When should I work with error level, guys? When should we deal with error level? I want reply, boss. We should deal with what? Error level. We should deal with what? Error level. Which situation error level? In which situation we should use error level? I want reply. Okay, for handling known and unknown exception, because there is no fatal level na. In SL4J level, for known exceptions, unknown exception, the same error level should be used or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Tell me. Yeah, let me open the document 1103. Here is my what? 1103. Yes, guys. Spring core. It's not. गलती हो गया थोड़ा सा बेर करो right wait where is this more on log for a program yeah shall we start doing that first I'll write a normal JDBC application later I start adding log4j messages for that so I want to create it as a Maven project new where is this Maven project, say next, quick start 1.5. Where is this? Maven hyphen, archetype hyphen. What is there, guys? Quick start. Oh, fine, already selected, na? Where is this? SLF4J, pause. sllf4j for with log4j. What 4j, guys? With log4. Here is my com.nt.esbeans. com.nt.esbeans, guys. Default package, fine. Service, I'll take something. Okay, we will want to work with Java 21 version. It's up to you guys. Okay, up to you. Stay finish. Yeah, online student, please check your audio and video, guys. Online students, please check your audio and video. Very good. Everyone, please respond. All good? Okay. Those are saying, Mr. Sai, check your side. From my side, no issue. You want to show me my net connection? Speed, I will show for you. Okay. How come people says good? How come people says bad? It's for everyone same na. Net speed is quite good, guys. Voice breaking, check your side. From my side, zero issues. Very deep voice coming. It's good, na? Deep voice means louder voice. Okay. Apple. It's coming or not coming, guys? Okay, that's great. Yeah, project is ready, guys. In pom.xml, what are the jars we have to add? SL4J related jars I have to add now, my dear. Okay, pom.xml, you have to add jar files. These are the thing in pom.xml. What is there? SL4J, log4j12, log4j version, and this. These are the jars that we are adding now, my dear. Come on. Or if not, you can add log4j, log4j 2.x jar also. Anyway, we are not going to work with the log4j directly. We can work with the latest version also. Let's try with the latest version only, boss. Okay, na? Open pom.xml, guys. Open pom.xml. Here is what? Dependency opening and what? Closing. Here is my, tell me. mvnrepository.com. What.com? Yeah, tell me. SL4J, SLF4J, FLF4J API. SLF4J API. SLF4J API. Okay, we'll take 2.0.7 version only, whatever the latest version, we take it. Copy this, paste it. What's happening? Why it is not allowing me to copy? SL4J API. Okay. Next one. SLF4J. SLF4J log4J. SLF4J log4J. SLF4J log4J. Apache log4J SLF4J binding. Okay. Relocated. That's good. 2.2, 2.4, whatever it is. Select this. What happened? Why it is not automatically selecting? Any settings are disturbed in the website? Say paste. Okay, guys. Okay, version 2 we have taken. Anything else? Log4j 1, 2, log4j. Original log4j jar we have to add now, boss. Okay, log4j 2.x jar only we try to add. Log4j, latest version jar only. Apache log4j. It's recommended to migrate to log4j2. Yeah, that is log4j core, guys. That is log4j core. Here 2.2. And this is the log4j original API, boss. Are select it, say paste. Select it, say paste. SL4j API. Log4j SL4j implementation. Okay, log4j SL4j twice it has come. Okay, I think new one is not copied. It seems the original log4j API is copied or not copied. Log4j core is not copied, guys. Log4j core is not copied. Copy this, guys. Say paste. Say paste. It's happening or not, guys? Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Done. Okay. Close all editors. com.nt.service. com.nt.service. New. Where is this package? com. Okay, fine. I think we have not added Arakil JDBC driver related jar. After all, we want to talk to what are database software, na? After all, we want to talk to database software. Go to this, guys. Tell me. OJDBC. OJDBC. OJDBC 8 is there, 11 is there. OJDBC 11 is there. OJDBC 6, guys. Yeah, let's take okay, latest version. Any version jar you can take. I think they changed it little bit, guys. Earlier, if you select, it will come automatically. Okay. Hey, bad. Very bad. Right click. Copy this. Save, paste. It's happening or not, guys? We are getting the things over there. com.nt.service. Close all editors. src main java com.nt.service. Here is my what? Application.properties. Fine, leave it. Here I want to write JDBC code with the latest try with resource concept only. What concept, guys? Yeah, what's the advantage of try with resource? Whatever objects you opened in try with resource, they will be closed automatically at the end of the try block or not. This. They will be closed automatically at the end of the try block or not there. New, what is there? Class. What is there, guys? Select test. Here is my main method. What method? Main method. Yeah, nowadays loading driver class is optional. Huh? Optional. It's auto loading of driver class is taking place. Loading of driver class is purely optional. Okay, that's great. Right. connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. What is there? JDBC colon Oracle colon @localhost colon 1521 colon exe. What's the username? System. What's the password? Manager. What's the password? Tiger. Establish the connection. What is there? Establish the connection. Okay. Next one. Create statement object. What object, guys? Create statement object. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement of. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement of. Java.sql.statement. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. I think better to take prepare statement now, boss. Better take prepare. If it is prepared statement, we can write the query at the top of the class also. Private static final string get underscore emps. Here output is not important, writing long messages are important. I will do that in a moment. Get emps. What, guys? Get emps. Select star from, otherwise employee number, employee name, job, sal from where is this? Emp. Where is that, guys? Emp. Tell me here what is there? Prepared statement ps is equal to con dot prepared statement get emps. You are ready with the prepared statement object or not? Okay. Send and execute the query. Result set rs is equal to, what is there? ps dot execute query method, na my dear. ps dot execute query method. Control plus shift plus o. Yes, boss. Tell me here. Yeah. Catch SQL exception SC. SC dot print stack trace. Oh, we have taken E only now. What is that? SC dot print stack trace. Catch, what is there? Exception E. E dot print stack trace. Exception E dot print stack trace. End of the main method, end of the class. End of the main method, end of the class. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. End of the main method, end of the class. Here is my connection creation. Here is my prepared statement object. Here is my what? Result set object. This is to handle known exceptions, guys. What exceptions? To handle known exceptions. This is to handle what, guys? Unknown exceptions. One is to handle known exception, other one is to handle what? Unknown exception. That's great. Connection con, prepared statement PS, result set RS. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay. Yeah, process the result set object. You need to process the result. Whatever objects that are opened here, they will be closed automatically. Yeah, tell me. While rs dot next. While rs dot next. System dot out dot println. Rs dot get int of 1. Rs dot get string of 2. What is this? Rs dot get string of 3. Next what? Rs dot get string of 4. I think salary is double na, get double of 4. Rs dot get double of 4. Okay. Here is my what guys? Try block. Catch exception E, end of the main method, end of the class. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Fine. Okay, let's see. No need of writing finally block because whatever objects that are opened with the try with resource, they will be closed automatically at the end of the try with resource or not, guys. At the end of the try with resource or not, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay, boss. Tell me here, where is this? Select test.java, right? Okay, this. We are getting the records over there now, boss. Okay, output is coming, but now I want to have log messages. That too, I want to see those log messages initially coming on the console. Okay, later I want to work with what files, various options I want to use. But that too I want to write by using sllf4j. Using which option I want to write? sllf4. Okay, guys. sllf4j integrated with log4j. For that only we have added jar na, boss. Okay. First of all, in any log4j framework, we have to create a logger object. Yes? Because using that logger object only, log messages can be generated. Right, boss? Okay. Select the test, guys. That's good. How to create a logger object? Logger object. Array. Logger object we create at the top of the class. That too is a singleton class, right, guys? That too it is what? Singleton class. Since it is a singleton class, what's the advantage we are having, guys? Okay. Only one object will be created, even though you attempt to create any number of objects, right, boss? Okay. Logger is equal to logger factory dot get logger. Logger factory dot get logger. Select test dot java. Okay, guys, select test dot java. Logger. SL4j logger only na, boss? Yes. This is the main object, guys, using which I can generate the log messages. Okay. Having different categories. It is a static factory method. Static factory method giving logger class. That means nothing but singleton class. Logger class, nothing but singleton class object. Simply nothing but what object, guys? Singleton class object. Static factory method giving logger class object, boss. Here is my query, guys. What is their query? We are establishing the connection over there. Come on. Creating the prepared statement object here. Come on, guys. Prepared statement object and executing the query. I want to generate the log messages. Okay, once this is done, here I want to generate a log message. Connection is established. Okay. But whatever objects you open there, they will be closed automatically. Can we write logger object message here? Logger dot debug. Alright, it is important activity, na? Logger dot info. What is that? Connection with database software is established. Connection with database software is established. Am I able to write that? Why? Array, whatever you place here, come on. Okay. Should be closed automatically. But this is okay. Okay, guys. Syntax error on token, misplaced constructs. Misplaced construct. We are getting error or not there. Okay, when this kind of situation, right? Okay. Listen. I will go for a private static. Why are you taking static, my dear? Array, main is a static method, na? To use non-static things cannot be used without object. Static things can be used with object or not, guys. But still, I am getting error. Syntax error on token, misplaced constraints. Misplaced constraint. Any solution for this? Private resource is done now, boss. After the try with resource you have to place, huh? That one option is anyhow there. Apart from that, that one option is anyhow there. Apart from that, any other thing? Okay, forget about logger, guys. Can you write SOP statement here? Can you write SOP statement? Sys out hello. Is it allowing? It's not allowing, right? Okay. So this is before try how you will write without establishing connection, how you will implement. Okay. Accepts object that implements auto closable. That's right. Okay. Fine. What I want to do is I want to double confirm. It's not possible. My mind says not possible. Okay. But we got some latest versions. Some improvisation might have happened. Okay. All right. That's why we go to what? DeepSeek or what? ChatGPT and we'll ask once. Inside the main method before try catch. When a connection is established, then only I can write the log message, na? Okay. Try with resource, guys. Try with resource. Connection con, try con, one and the same, na, boss? That's one and the same. Yeah, nested try with resource, one option is there. If this is not working, we have to go for what? Nested try with resource only. Nested try with resource, we have to go for nested one. Yeah, that's the only solution that is left in this model. Okay, writing log messages inside the what, guys? Inside the try with resource block. Inside that, try with resource block. Try with resource block. Buffer reader, logger.info, file path. But it is written after that only, na? Everywhere it is written after that only. So, yeah, that's why logging inside the block helpful for debugging, auditing, more resource management. Resources declared in try with resource will automatically close after block exit. Logging inside the block is helpful for debugging, auditing, and what this. Would you like to show an example of database connection? Yes. Okay, one JDBC example they are giving, guys. Okay, all the three things, but they are writing after try with resource only, na boss. Are they writing inside it? No. They are also writing what? After the blocks only they are writing. Did you notice that? No question of writing them inside that. Okay. So if you want to write, you have to go for nested try with resource. You want to be very strict about writing this? No option. We have to think about going for what? Nested. Shall we go for nested now? Okay, how to write nested? Here you close first one. Here you write close first one. Come on. Yeah. First is ready na? Not this, not this. Logger.info. Any error came, boss? Not came. Next one. Again what? Try. Logger.info. Prepared statement object PS. Where is this? This. Open parenthesis. Okay. Open parenthesis. Here is my word. Logger.info. Copy this, paste it. Connection with the database software is established or not, guys? Connection with the database software is established. Here, what is this? Prepared statement object is created. What object? Prepared statement object is created. Prepared statement object is created. That's great. Okay. Yeah, next one is what, my dear? Right. Nested with the result set RS. Result set RS. Result set RS. Logger.info. Where is this? Result set object is created. What object, guys? Result set object is created. That's great, boss. Try with resource. Done. This is now not required. Process the result set object. That is also done, guys. But there are multiple try with resources that I have to close, my dear. Okay, first one. Try 3. Next, try 2. Here is what? Try 1. SQL exception this. Okay. Try 3, try 2, try 1. Try 3, try 2, try 1. SQL exception, SC, catch. Any errors are there? No errors. Okay. Yeah, we'll add the log messages later. Let me check. Run as a Java application. Yeah, one error. You're getting basic output over there now, my dear. Yeah. So now it's quite good to add log messages, my dear. We can happily add log messages neatly now, boss. Let's add the log messages neatly over. Logger.debug. Array, statement object creation is not a major activity. That's why debug. Result set object creation also, I don't think it's a major activity. I use what? Debug. Okay, at the end of the loop, guys, I'll say Yeah. At the end of the loop, guys, here I want to say, Shailendra Gurjar, from my side, no issue, Rababu. Check your side. Yeah. Sys out. Not sys out. Normal message, guys. Lager.debug. Okay. Result set object is a process. Result set object is a process. Result set object is one process. Okay, that's great. But here I want to have some more statements, guys. Okay, start of main method. Logger.debug. Start of main method. Nothing but application. Start of main method, nothing but application. Okay. Here is what? End of main method. Nothing but end of application or not, guys. Here is what? End of main method. This is my end of main. So seriously, literally end of main method or not, guys? Okay. Result set object is created and process. Log messages are placed. In the catch block, guys, I'll say print stack trace, I don't mind. But along with that, logger dot error. What got error? Logger and error. DB problem plus sc dot get message. DB problem sc dot get message. Logger dot error. Unknown DB problem. Unknown DB problem. E dot print stack trace. Unknown DB problem. Logger dot error unknown DB problem E dot print stack trace. Okay. Logger dot error unknown DB problem. Unknown DB problem, not print stack trace, guys. E dot get message. E dot get message. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Try 3, try 2, try 1. This is DB problem, this is DB problem. Yes, guys. This is my select test.java. Here is my what? Select test.java. Fine. Okay, log messages are written having different categories. Sir, other things are not covered. We have not covered warn and trace. Right now, no event handling. That's why I cannot show trace. Right now, I am not using any deprecated APIs. Am I using any deprecated APIs? Any poor APIs, guys? Not. If you want, I can cover warn also some extent. Not exactly appropriate, but fine. So actually, any column value I can get as a string value. So actually, get a double. Instead of that, get string I use only for printing numbers. So I want to warn myself, okay, actually instead of get double, get string is used. I just want to warn myself. For that purpose, here we can have lager not warn. Okay. Okay. It's better to process. It's better to process. It's better to process the result set. What guys? Result set. It's better to process the result set. Okay. With the result set data. Directly with get triple X methods, not as string values. Not as string values. Asking not to take as string values, better to process directly with what? Get triple X. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah, this is my select test.java, my dear. Come on. This is simply literally what is there? Select test.java, no doubt in that. So here is my select test.java. Here is my what? Yeah. Right now output comes, guys, no problem. But I want to get log messages or not, guys. For that one, SL4J needs inputs. Okay, those inputs we can give from properties file. What is that property file? Log4j dot property file. Okay, what are the inputs you have to give? First, you have to specify a root logger level. What do you mean by root logger level? What is the logger level you want to use for retrieving log messages? For example, if I use a debug and above messages will come or not, guys? Root logger level you have to specify. Then you have to specify what is the appender you want to use. Where you want to write the log messages. Right now I want to write to console. Okay, while writing those log messages, what is the layout you want to use? First time I want to use simple layout. First time I want to use what? Simple layout. Sir, so but this file name is fixed. Log4j.property file name is fixed. Number one. Keys are predefined. Only values will change time to time. But the issue is, can we remember those keys? File name we can remember, but can we remember those keys, guys? So it's better to collect sample keys from where? ChatGPT support or not, guys? It's always better to collect what? Sample keys from what? ChatGPT support or not, guys? It's recommended, it's good to get sample keys from what? ChatGPT support or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, let's see, boss, how we can do that. Here in the root project, SRC main Java. Okay, where this SRC main Java is there only. I'll take a file called log4j.properties. What dot properties, guys? Log4j.properties. Okay. Array, use brain for process, not for remembering keys, syntaxes, class names, method names. If you start doing it, you will hate programming. When I'm not remembering, why are you remembering? It's inspired from ChatGPT or Google, collected, copy, paste. That's what. Syntax you should not remember. Class name, method name should not remember. Only process you have to remember. Concept you have to remember, guys. sllf4j sllf4j with log4j sllf4j with log4j properties. Yeah, jars are added, guys. That's good. Here we are having now, boss. Okay. Here root lager option. Okay. They have given their own style. We are going to work out our own style. Don't get it one by one. Okay. Log4j dot root lager is equal to what is it? Log4j dot root lager is equal to. That's great. Next, some logical name, guys. Logical name can be X, Y, Z. Any logical name you can take. Okay. So if you want to take C also you can take, R also you can take, anything you can take. Log4j dot root lager from the root package onwards, from beginning of the root package in all classes, what I want to enable info level. No sir, I am looking to see all messages nowadays. What is there? Debug. What is that, guys? Debug. This is a logger level to retrieve the log messages. This is what logical. Here is my what, guys? Appender dot R. What appender? Console appender. I want to see log messages on the console. Next, logical name again reflects, guys. R dot layout. What layout, guys? Simple layout. What layout, guys? Okay. What layout, guys? Simple layout. Yeah, here what is the appender, guys? What is the appender? Console appender. What is the layout I am taking, guys? Simple layout. Simple layout means logger level, log message, nothing else. What layout, guys? Simple layout. Okay, what is the one I am taking? Debug comma R, one side console appender, other side what? Simple layout. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super. Okay. Now, that's it, guys. For all the log messages they are writing, I am asking to retrieve this debug and higher messages, write them to console, and layout is this. Okay. Shall we run now? When we run, not only output, log messages also should come now. Since logger level to retrieve log message is debug, all log messages should come or not, guys? Okay. Would you like to show pop log to version, modern, safe, built-in compatibility? Just say yes. It is based on sl4j2. Array, only jars will change, remaining all are same. Log4j core. Anything changed here? Nothing. Anything changed here, guys? Nothing. Root logger level, info. Yeah, same story here now, boss. Rolling file. Same. Here nothing changes, my dear. Nothing changes. Okay, SL4J as your logging API standard. Log4j is backend, modern, fast, secure. Okay, logs console plus rolling file. What file, guys? Rolling file. Log4j Spring Boot ready to come. Okay, that's fine. Spring Boot we will discuss later. This is what we configured over there or not there, guys. Okay, now let's run. Anyhow, we have already that setup is there. We are going in what? Latest setup only. Okay, let's run the application. Select test.java. Run as Java application. Run as Java application. Where are the log messages? Why log messages are not coming? What, guys? Log, I have taken console appender na, boss. R is the alias name na. Anything you can take. No. See. Alias name can be X, Y, Z. They have taken console, I have taken R. They have taken console, I have taken R. Clear? Don't think much on it. Don't think much on it. Current class is passed or not passed. Log4j dot properties. Root logger, this one file appender, okay. HTML layout. I'll come to HTML layout later. Initially, I want to work with what, guys? Simple layout and console appender. Simple layout and console appender. Why it is not responding? Any mistake? Select test dot class. Logger factory dot get logger current class name static one. Logger dot debug. Here I use a try boss, no problem. No, it is not activating this one. We need to do on project or class. You have to do on the class only. Every class you have to create logger object separately, mentioning the class name, specifying the class name. Okay. Why it is not responding? In a pom.xml, did I enable things properly? Just a minute. Database sllf4j API. sllf4j API 2.243. 2.243. Just a minute. Is there any version issue? sllf4j 1.3, 1.2.7. SL4J API. Four J 1.2.7. Right. Okay. Let me try with 1.x version first. Both. Yeah, 1. Log4j 2 only we keep. SL4j will try to keep 1.x setup, guys. SL4j we try to keep 1.7 setup. 1.7.3. Yeah, where is this? 1.7.3. 1.7.3. Next, this also one, guys. 1.7.3. That's it. What's the problem? 1.7.3. 1 minute. Integration. One point 3.30 na 1.7.30. Wait. Okay. What's the problem here? Hey, OJDBC, that's not an issue, guys. That's we can put anything. That's not an issue. Already it's working, right? It's working. 1.7.30. I think SL4J 1.1. We'll try to take the same version numbers. SL4J API, SL4J 1.2, SL4J 1.2. Okay. Yeah, that is coming, guys. Yeah, org dot Yeah, we'll try to change the version. org.sl4j. org.sllf4j. Group ID also I am changing. sllf4j. Save this. log4j -slf4j 1.3.2. Where is the version issue, guys? We'll work with this. sllf4j log4j org.sllf4j 1. Here wrong one. sllf4j sllf4j log4j 1.2. sllf4j log4j 1.2. Okay. We'll keep here also. We have to change log4j 1.x setup only. What is the setup, guys? log4j 1.x setup. log4j 1.2.7. What's the group ID? log4j. First we'll try this, then we'll go for another one. 1.2.7, right? Yeah, you need not to type like this. You can get from internet also, please. 1.2.7. Okay, we changed the version size little bit, no problem. Okay, right click. Where is this? Run as Java application. Okay, wait a minute. Output is coming. Log message is also coming, guys. Output is coming. Log message is also coming. But what is there? This version for log4j, SL4j require log4j version 1.2.12. It is saying that you have used a little bit older version. You go for what? 1.2.12 na? 1.2.12. Okay. I passed 1.2.12. Even that red marks will go off. Check it out. We are getting it or not there. This is 1.x setup, but our work is what? We want to get the same thing in what? log4j2. Because log4j 1.2 is good, but I want to work with what? Latest version of log4j. So here we have something called SL4j2 version code. Yeah, here what are the dependencies they have added, guys? These are the dependencies they have added or not, guys? Okay, 2.2, 2.2.0, everything is added here. Okay, so that is, you will keep this 1.x program as it is. Okay, copy this, paste it with log4j2. With log4j2. Same process I want to do with what? log4j1, this is log4j2. Go to pom.xml, guys. Go to pom.xml. OJDBC, anyhow it's working. Remove these three jar files. Remove what? These three jar files. Let me add the jar file that are collected from where, guys? This place. Let me add the jars that are collected from this place now, my dear. Yes, copy option is there, fine. Like this also you can copy Babu. Okay. log4j API, log4j API. log4j API, log4j API. We have added all this stuff now, my dear. Come on. Okay. Anything else I am missing or these are enough? These are enough towards jar file wise or enough? Okay, array, this main API, SL4J API also we should add now, boss. Main SL4J API also I am adding here. Say paste. Right now error is not there, but according to this, am I getting output or not? That's matter. Select test.java, run as Java application. Am I getting only output or log messages also? Here log messages are not coming. Okay. Not only jars, guys, I will try to modify what? Keys in the property file according to this. Because keys also changed in what? 2.x version. But see, this is how we have to learn things dynamically, boss. We have one version code, but we want to see it's working for what? Another version. Then we have to bring this into picture or not, guys? Okay, now here root logger. How to write the root logger, guys? Set root logger level and appender. Status error. Name is equal to what? Property config. Leave it. Tell me. Root logger level info. Appenders I am linking what? Console. Okay. Appender I am linking as what? Console. Okay. Here layout and appenders we have to specify or not, guys? Super, guys. Tell me here. Okay, root logger. We will take it for what? Console. One by one I will give. Don't worry, guys. One by one I will give. Yeah, this is select test with respect to log4j. Yes. Here log4j top dot properties with respect to log4j2. Yeah, root logger option. What option, guys? Root logger option. Level dot info. That's good. Appender ref. Yeah, this is debug. I want to get what? Debug. Are mister, come on. Yeah, what is the logical name I want to use, guys? Appender ref. Okay, appender ref. Appender ref. Here, what is the link between all this stuff? Logger level is this. Appender ref console comma file. Okay, what are the logical name that you are going to take? Okay, what are the logical name you are going to take? Okay, tell me I am taking R there. What is the one I am taking? R. Okay, here what? Console.ref, appender ref, R.ref console. You need not write complete name, guys. You just write what? This. Okay, once that is done, guys, tell me. Once that is done, tell me, console appender information we are passing now, my dear. Okay. What is that? Console. Appender type console. Name console. Layout is what? Pattern layout. But here I want to work with what? Simple layout. So can we write over there, guys? Copy this. Yeah, this is here. What is there? Appender and same, guys. Syntax is different. Same story, syntax is different. Tell me what is there? Console and what, guys? Console and appender information. Earlier I used to work with log4j 1.x with sllf4j. From this batch I decided to go for both. Same example in 1.x, same example in what? 2. In 1.x we have seen log messages, my dear. Same stuff I want to show in what? 2.x also. Root logger, console appender and simple layout. Console appender and what? Simple layout. Yeah, it takes bit of time to migrate to 2.x, but please cooperate. What's the logical name I have taken, guys? R. What's the logical name I have taken here? R. What is the logical name? R. What is the layout you want to use? Simple layout. Array, these are class names. You can write without package names also, no problem. Okay, guys. Let's see. Select test.java, run as Java application. Ayyo. We are getting output. I'm happy with that. But log messages are coming or not coming? Unfortunately, log messages are coming over here or not there. Console appender, console, pattern layout. Where happened? File appender. I'm not looking for file appender. Console logs. Yeah. Set root logger level and set root logger level and appenders. Status error name is equal to what? They are the properties. Info logger level is set. Appender ref console comma file. Console dot ref console. Console dot type console. Console dot name this. Layout type pattern layout. Are why it is not working, Rababu then? It is suggested here only, na? That is done. Anywhere log4j remaining all are same. Logger dot info. What dot? Logger dot info. Logger dot info. Logger dot debug. This. You need to run on project. No, see 1.x it's working, guys. I'm worried about 2.x setup. You're really worried about what? 2.x setup. Not worried about 1.x setup, guys. Worried about what? 2.x. Right. Let's open this. Log4j dot properties. Logger level is what? Root logger level. I think we are going somewhere wrong, guys. Root logger level dot level info. Appender ref. What is there? Console. Logical name. Anything. Appender dot ref dot console dot ref. Console. That is related to file, leave it. That is purely related to file, we need not to worry about it. What is missing, guys? Okay, put in what? SRC main resources folder, log4j2 dot properties. That is the blunder we are doing. It should be what, guys? Log4j2 dot properties. No, in log4j, in log4j1, log4j dot properties. Here, log4j2 dot properties. Okay, wait, we'll see, guys. Log4j2 dot properties. Select test dot Java, Java application. No problem, no problem. Error comes, we can solve. Okay. No factory method found. No factory method found for console appender. Okay. Cannot invoke core.config.plugin because child type is what? Null. Okay. Error status unable to locate plugin type simple layout. Unable to locate plugin layout what? Simple layout. It's saying that simple layout is not there. How to mention simple layout in what? Log4j2. Their pattern layout is there. We inspired and we have written that. No problem. Okay, wait, guys. How to specify? In front of you, I got a thought. I have to show log4j2 from this batch onwards. I am dynamically improvising. Are you noticing it? Okay, guys. Tell me, guys, how to specify simple layout in log4j2 property. Log4j2 properties. Log4j2 properties. Okay. Appender dot what is simple layout in log4j2? Okay. Appender dot file dot layout dot type simple layout. What is the one I have to write here? Did I mention that or not, guys? Log4j2. Appender dot r dot layout dot type. What is there? Simple layout. Anything else I am missing? Here. Console type this, layout type simple layout. Ref is this, ref dot console dot ref console. Yes, guys. Okay. That means problem is not with property. We are giving right things only, right? Okay. 1 minute. Array, when we get the error, if you are afraid how you become good programmer. Here, what is there? Okay. We got the error here. Okay. Take the error. Come here. We got the error here. Come here. Come on. Next, what is there? Say paste. Say paste. Common cause. Typos log4j dot properties. Typos in log4j dot properties. Mixing log4j 1 point with what? Log4j 1.2. Example. Appender dot console dot layout. Simple layout. This is log4j 1 point style. Will throw what? Null pointer exception. Okay. Correct way of log4j2. What is there? Appender dot console dot layout dot type. Appender dot r dot layout dot type. We are writing correctly only, na? Yeah. Okay. Next, double check your file. Every appender dot star layout must use layout dot type, not layout. Appender type case sensitive simple layout. Simple layout is kept or not, guys? Okay, next. Bonus status debug. Bonus tip, enable log4j internal debugging to see log errors. Status is what? Debugging. Internal debugging, guys. You can paste your current log4j.properties file here. I will spot the error. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is my log4j.property file now, my dear. Okay. Say paste. Yeah, I see the issue. What is the issue? You wrote Roger what? But you said appender dot r dot name is equal to what? Console. This mismatches config parser. This mismatches what? Config parser. It is saying that I confused myself. Okay. Defines logical reference console. Okay. Maps appender name with what? Console. Appender block use what? Appender dot consistent. Consistently. Null pointer exception. Database connection establish input. Okay. Now we'll look. We'll work without throwing null pointer exception. Print like this. Print like this. I'm saying that you are taking logical name not correctly. It is saying what, guys? Logical name not correctly. Clean and valid. Okay. I go like this. I go like this. Okay. It's fine, boss. Root logger is kept. Fine. This is what? Root logger debug console, console, console. Right. Let's see whether problem with our logical name or real stuff. Right click, guys. Run as Java application. Are we getting the log messages? Output is coming, but it is still saying what? Some plugin is missing, guys. What is missing? Some plugin is missing. Error status could not create log4j element. Child type what? Null. Error. Say paste. Wait. Now this error makes crystal clear. Log4j says simple layout is not found. Does not support simple layout format. It supports simple layout only in what? Excel and JSON. Are you getting my point? I think you got the clarity, guys. Works in property file does not work. A simple layout does not work. I'm trying that layout which is not supported. That's why this problem came or not, guys. So at the end we got the realization SL4J log4j2 does not support what layout, guys? Simple layout. Finally, wait. So now in 1.x and 2.x, can I try with the HTML layout by taking appender as file appender? First we will see in what? First we will see in what? 1.x. First let's try in what? 1.x. 1.x already proven one, guys. Here log4j dot properties, right? Okay. Yes, okay. This you comment, my dear. This you comment. Okay, for what? For console appender. What appender? Console appender. And simple layout. For console appender and simple layout. Yeah, this is what, where is this, guys? For, tell me, file appender, what appender? File appender and a simple layout. File appender and not simple layout, HTML layout. What is the layout I want to use? HTML layout. Let's comment this one, guys. Let's comment this. Let's see. Root logger R. Okay. Next R. A logical name, guys. What is the appender I'm looking for? Okay. HTML appender. What is there? Log4j dot file appender, guys. What appender? File appender. Okay. Next one. Layout. R dot layout. Log4j dot. Here, what is the layout, guys? HTML layout. But with respect to file, we have to specify file and file append mode. Okay. You want to specify file name and append mode or not, guys? R dot file. F capital it seems. Okay. So I decided to take HTML file. What is this? App underscore log dot HTML. You want to override new content or you want to append the new content? I want to append file dot, what is there? Append is equal to true. New content should be written at the end of the existing content. What is the layout I am looking for, guys? HTML layout. What layout? Package names are very crucial, guys. Package names are very crucial. What is there? Log4j dot HTML layout. Okay, it's a layout data. Log4j dot HTML layout. Straight away HTML layout. Straight away what layout, guys? HTML. Okay. Log4j dot appender dot R dot layout. org dot apache dot log4j dot. What is there? HTML layout. We have taken this one as HTML layout now, my dear. Okay, that's great. Tell me. For file appender and HTML layout. This is simply file appender and what? HTML layout. Log4j dot properties. Okay. As Java application. Okay. Some warnings are coming. That means wrong keys we have kept. No such property file. What is their file? F capital or small a? Yes. No property append. Okay. Mistake is ours, Babu. Where is this file? Where is this file? Here is this append. Right click guys, run as Java application. Only output comes. Why? Because right now log messages are generated in file or not guys. Say refresh. What is there? Refresh. Right click. Tell me here what is there. Open with paint. Open with web browser. Okay. Beautiful log messages are coming here in a separate file. 1.x this is time from in which second is log message generated, which thread, what is the logger level, right? Category, class name, message, what is the message? Okay, you run second time, my dear. You run second time. Previous messages will be appended to the existing one. Yeah. Why? Because I said append is equal to true. Because I said append is equal to true. But we want same thing in what? Log4j2, right? Okay, don't waste time. Let's come to ChatGPT and ask. Okay. Give for log4j2. Log4j2. Already giving a okay. Give for log4j2 guys. Give for log4j2. Here is coming up, my dear. Come on, everyone. Root logger is there or not there, guys? Fixed this one. Okay, go on. Log4j2. Here is log4j2 code or not, my dear? Here is what? Log4j2 code. Come to this log4j2 dot properties. Log4j2 dot properties. Is there working, guys? Not working. Why not working? Already have explained, right? Root logger debug file. File is the logical name. If you want, you can take our logical name can be R, guys. Okay, we'll go in our style. 1 minute. Logical name R, file appender. Type file, file name what? R. What is the file name? App underscore log.html. HTML layout. Everything is mentioned, but it is mentioned in what? Log4j2 style. Okay, now? Okay, now let's run this. But I want to change the file, guys. Okay. Because same file means you may confuse. We came for that or this. When your project is different, no confusion. Right click, run as Java application. Only output is coming. Log messages are coming over there or not there. Refresh. See, earlier we tried for that layout which is not supporting. Okay, later ChatGPT only realized, okay, it is not going to work out. Web browser. It is coming in what? Log4j2 style, my dear? Right. I think you got the idea how to work with this one. Right. Okay. Anyhow, code is there for log4j1. Okay. Same code I have to give for log4j2 also, my dear. Yes, guys. Can I take a new document or this document? Okay. This only, na? Okay. Example application. What is their example application using sllf4j, sllf4j 2 and log4j2, sllf4j and log4j2. Log4j2. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? That's great. Fine. Here is my log4j 2 dot properties, guys. Log4j log4j 2 dot properties. Everyone getting my point there? Yes. Okay. Here is the code of the project. Yes. Log4j2. This is the more important, guys. In class path, I have to place log4j. Yeah. Select test.java. What is next? Select test.java. Okay. Luckily, we got a chance to see best code of log4j. Come on. Select test.java. Select test.java. Next. Log4j 2 dot properties. Next one. Here is my pom.xml or not, guys? Here is my pom.xml. Yes. In pom.xml. Okay, these are the additional jars you have to add. Okay. In pom.xml. What.xml, guys? Pom. And when you get error, don't give up. Lot of patience is required while working with software tech things. Yeah, at the end we realize simple layout support is not there in through property file, right? Okay, I think OJDBC 6.jar also required as additional jar, my dear, because we are after all talking to database software here. Copy this. Here is what? Paste. Say paste. Next one, what is there? Note. Okay, in sllf4j with log4j, what guys? Log4j. We cannot work with simple layout. What layout, guys? Simple layout. Using properties file configuration. Using what? Properties file configuration. But possible in log4j 1.x. Possible in log4j 1.x or not, guys? I think that's a great point that we learned today. Okay, that's a great point. But here, what layouts are possible, what is not possible? Officially, log4j supported layouts, guys. Come on. Official log4j supported layouts. Okay, which does not support, which support. Those things also I am giving there. Official log4j supported in what? Properties file. Works with property file, these four things. Does not work simple layout. Notice it, guys? Okay. Now listen. This is log4j 2 dot properties. I'm able to give my choice logical name here. R. R is working or not working, guys? Definitely our choice logical name can be given here or not, my dear? Okay. Is that clear, guys? Yeah, this is somewhat programming. But compared to system.out.println, definitely it's a good option or not there. We're able to categorize log messages. We can filter also. Check it out. I don't want all messages. I want to get only info onwards. You selected info, right click, run as, what is there? Java application. What application? Java. You go there, here messages, refresh. Oh, why it is not coming as HTML layout, guys? I don't know why. I don't know why. It should come as HTML layout. Now, actually coming. Did you notice that? Did you notice that? Actually coming, info and high-end messages are coming. 1 minute. What I do is I close this. Okay. Here, refresh it. App underscore log to open with the browser. Why table is missing, I don't know. Fine. But messages, info and high level messages only coming. Did you notice it? Info and high level messages. Debug messages are not coming. Here info, here warn. Did you notice that, guys? Come on. Okay. That means what? We can able to filter the log messages or not, guys. Okay, once again, go back to debug, guys. Debug. Save it. Okay, select test.java. Java application. Output came. Say refresh. More messages are coming. Maybe table structure got disturbed, guys. Don't worry about it. But basically, we are able to filter the log messages or not, guys. Okay, that's great. Okay. So can I upload the notes, my dear? But what is the new thing I started from your batch? Log4j 2.x properties. See, meaning is same, only keys are little different, right? Yeah, that you, I'm asking not to mug up. You happily collect from where? Another place. Yeah, what's your batch code, guys? 7 p.m. Here, what is there? sllf4j. Okay, file upload. Class content, tools FS. Tell me. 7001, sllf4j, more on log4j progress. We are replacing existing one. Like this, we will see various options in 1.x and 2.x so that you will be ready with both topics, right, guys? Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow, guys.